Hey folks, this is Ft.Devanshi Sharma and you are watching Mithas Services official YouTube channel. In this video, this content tutorial, I'm going to talk about the 5 types of clients you should avoid as a content writer. Now, when we start as a content writer, any client is a good client for us. You know, when we begin as a freelancer, we think whatever work we get is good work. That's a myth. You should be wise enough to choose clients that don't take more of your time than they are paying you for. And that is why in this video, I'll talk about the 5 types of people you should avoid as clients. The first, those clients who do not know what they exactly want from you. Right? So what they'll keep doing is keep experimenting with you, that you can do this also, you can do that also, ultimately taking a lot of your time. So avoid working with people who are unclear about their demands from a content writer. The second type of people I would avoid working with are people who are hesitant in signing an agreement with a content writer. If they are hesitant on keeping everything documented, there is some jol somewhere. So try avoiding those kind of clients and look for people who work in a more professional and documented manner. The third type of clients are those who are not agreeing to pay the basic service charge for content writing. I always feel 0.5 rupee a word is a basic service charge that every content writer should demand from their clients. If you are working for less, reconsider. And if your client is not agreeing to get to that standard of the industry, it's very important to get rid of those clients. The fourth type of clients that I would suggest you don't work with are people who just keep on changing their requirements. It can happen once, twice, thrice, but then if it's going on and on and on, you need to put a full stop to this whole process. And the fifth type of people are those who are not considering you worthy enough or respectful enough to be part of their core team and are just using you to get the third grade jobs done, like just copying, pasting, plagiarizing, copying this from there. These kind of jobs may have a lot of money in it, but if there is no growth, there is no scope in that particular space or in that particular project. So try avoiding these kind of clients and work with people who feel that you can deliver the best in their project. When there is respect, when there is a mutual, work culture in a particular project, the work is out of the world. If not, it may hamper you as a content writer. So if you're starting and looking for work, avoid these 5 types of clients for sure. Also, for more such tutorials on content writing, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We keep posting a lot of videos on book writing, content writing and creative writing, which you don't want to miss out on. Additionally, we also do a lot of workshops on content writing and creative writing, details for which are mentioned in the description below. So if you are interested in creating a career in content writing, this is one space that you have been looking for. On that note, I am Ft.Devanshi Sharma signing off from this video. As I go and enjoy my stroll out there, you do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you!